This was one of the most interesting courses I have attended, and I have attended quite a lot during the years. And this is the reason I accepted to talk about it, because I usually don't do that. But it was actually mind-changing and to find a different approach for the patient, which is way more easier and a lot of benefits for the patient applying this technique. Actually, I question myself why I didn't think about it before. But it's absolutely worth it, and what can I say? One of the best organized courses I have attended. So thank you.
Thank you so much. You know, that is a paradigm shift in the management of compromised sockets, and I think the most beneficial is not for you, it's for the patient. That's why I'm here to let you know the best way to go in order to allows you to offer the best treatment possible in the management of compromised sockets.
And the time is much shorter for the patient. The outcome, we get to the outcome faster, and it's easier for us too.
And all represents not only shorter treatment time, but less costly for the patient.
Yes, less costly and less effort, and everything is more beneficial, yes.
One more question. Do you recommend this course for your colleagues in order to offer this methodology of treatment for much more people around Romania, for example, around this area?
Absolutely. It's more biological, it's more predictable, and the outcome is long-lasting.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Professor.
Thank you.